Okay guys, in this video I will be teaching you about the third exit Lower Darwen. So we check our center and the right mirror, we signal to the right and we go into the right lane please. Now this is M65 Roundabout. Please make sure always double check and do ladder, look, assess, decide and act. If nobody's coming you can go. So the first exit to my left right now, we're taking the third exit. So once you see these cones, western sign, check your mirrors and signal to the left and go to the far left lane. Keep your car to the left, keep your signal on. Any car coming from the slip road doesn't matter. So we have done two exits. You can see the 40 sign there. We don't do 40, but this is what most people do. You can see the Lower Darwen and you can see this is where we are now in third exit. Now in this road, once you pass this bend, there is a 40 sign coming up on the left. Make sure once you see the sign, once the bend goes, check your mirrors and builds up your speed. Road normally clear, so try to do around 39 and 40 guys if you can. It's very important. Remember, if the road is clear, always make your progress whatever the speed is telling you. We have got a roundabout coming up and then we're going to be turning right at the next roundabout there. We're going to be taking the third exit. The reason I'm doing this because just want to show you there's a speed limit sign coming up on the both sides, right and the left. The left one is visible, the right one is covered by the tree, so it's now 30 miles per hour. So please guys remember this. So we're turning right, so this is the first exit. Now this is the second exit. Check your mirrors, signal, position, and you go into the third exit there. So I hope you will like this video and it will help you to understand a roundabout a bit more better. Thank you.